How's everybody doing? I hope you guys having a good day, good night, good afternoon. Um, so yeah, as I promised you guys, I was gonna drop this video just to help you guys understand the market just a little bit better, because I know how frustrating it is to not really know what the market's doing or to like think like you know what it's doing, but like you really don't. So, anyways, let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna try to keep this short and sweet. So yeah, I'm on Audio SD. I'm on my pair. This is the daily. So again, I use the daily for direction. So I just come over here, mark up support and resistance always first. So you want to mark up support and resistance where these wicks are hitting at. Obviously, I think you guys know how to do that. And for those of you that don't, here it is. It's pretty simple. I think that'll work for me. Okay. So yeah, so my support resistance is marked up for my on my daily time frame. So as you can see here, it was an uptrend, right? Uptrend. And it was just chilling here. It was just going straight up. It's an uptrend. And then here it broke out and it started to consolidate, as you guys can see. Right here. Started to consolidate. So I wouldn't mark up. So here's my strategy. So my strategy, I like do this. I mark up my daily first, right? And then so I usually draw the boxes, but not here. I draw the boxes on my hourly. So right here you can see it's consolidated. It's not going up or down. It's just consolidated. So you go to your hourly. So I already marked up my daily charts, and as you can see here, price was consolidated as fuck right here. This was last week. Actually, this was this week. So how you want to set this up is by where it smacks the most wicks. You just want to place your box right there where it smacks the most wicks, right here and right here. You see this? Now it's in this box. This means it's consolidated. It's not going uptrend or downtrend. It's just consolidated. Again, you can place buys, sells here, but to be honest, like I would not like trade here. This is bad. Like this is like price can do anything. You see all like these candlesticks, like this is way too crazy for me. So to be honest, I'd wait until price like broke out. So I'd like here you see where price my MA broke structure. So it broke structure here. Like here yeah, it broke here too, but these like candlesticks are like tiny. You know what I mean? It's like here, this is a big one. See how it broke structure right here? It broke the big old stick. So you'd sell right here. You'd sell right here, right here. You'd sell and you'd get all this, right? And you'd get out where the box is at right here, where your support's at. You'd get out right here. You'd get out because then it's gonna come back up. You see where it hit this, bounced off, and then so you'd buy. I mean, if you wanted to, you can buy here. You know what I mean? I'd get in here, but like just to be sure, like if it breaks your MA again, right here, how this stick broke the MA, you'd buy here. So you'd buy and you get all these pips, and then you'd get out right here because you don't know what price is gonna do. If it's gonna come back down, it's gonna keep doing the same thing. You just want to wait. You know what I mean? And then so up here, you just wait. You just get out because if it breaks out, then you can buy it. You can buy it. It broke out, and then how you know when to get out from this? Again, you just got to mark up your next major resistance, which would be, so boom, it broke out. So your next one would be right, was thinking like right there. Like here, you see where it's smacking the wicks right here? Boom, 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 smacking all these wicks. Then you come back, boom. You see how it's smacking these wicks right here? That's how you know it's a major key support, major resistance. Sorry, a major resistance line, major resistance level. Yeah, that's when you get out, because we see this price just came back down. It's just chilling. So it went back to consolidation. So you just draw like another box right here. Boom. You see this? This is how you just keep drawing your boxes. Boom, boom, right here. And then, you just wait. It broke structure here on this big one. You can get in this sell and this buy, get in this sell. Boom, you come down right here, you get in. Right here, you get in that sell. You come down, you get in this buy. Boom, come up. And then, you get out here, because that's where, your resistance is at from this box. So this box marks up resistance, support. It's the same thing as having those lines. So then you get out here, because price, it can come back down or break out. Like here it broke out. So it's chilling again, you know what I mean? So it's consolidated again. It's just chilling. It's not doing anything. Boom. So, this is what, like, the thing that I'm speaking about. Like, no matter what, you know the trend. It's an uptrend. So, like, you're trying to look for buys on an uptrend. Buys on an uptrend and sells on a downtrend. Because either way, like, the trend is going to go with the trend. Like, the trend's going to keep doing what it's doing, you know what I mean? So, you just keep on drawing these boxes, like, you know what I mean? It's like super easy. It's not hard. This is my strategy again. You might have something else, but look, you see these layers? Like, the market is in layers. The market is in layers. And then again, right here, you'd buy here. Boom, it broke your MA. You see this big candlestick? This is what I mean by breaking structure. Like, it broke the big old candlesticks. Like, it's not just because it breaks these tiny ones it means anything. Like, it's got to do this. You see this? Boom, there's a buy. You buy here. You can buy here. If you wanted to. Boom, shot up. Because, right, price, it's supposed to come all the way down, right? If it hits the resistance, it's going to come up, come down, come up. But here, this is a sign too. Like, that is going to come up. Boom, break out this box, come up, and then you'd get out here at your next spot, right? So this is your next spot. So you'd mark up right here. Look, boom. You see that? Where smack most wicks right here. Boom. You come back, smack all these wicks. Boom, 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 boom. You see that? So this is like your next major resistance. So whenever you're buying in an uptrend, you want to mark up your next major resistance if it breaks out that box. But, like, if you're trading inside the box, you just want to go with the box. Like, you want to get out where the resistance is of your box. So, obviously you buy here. You get out when it's up here. You know what I mean? It's just, it's super simple, guys. Not hard. So here it comes out, broke out. You see it started to go back into consolidation stage. You see this? It started to just, like, chill again. You see that? Boom, came down here, just broke a little bit, and just started chilling here. Boom, before it broke out again. You see this? You see how it broke structure here? This big red stick broke structure, came down all the way. So you would get in right here where it broke structure as a sell. It'd come back, it'd retrace, but that's what I'm saying. Like, you want to get out where the next major resistance is at, which is obviously. So if you come back in the market, it'd be right here, because you see these wicks right here. This is where it smacked, the most. Boom, smacking the most. So then you come out, you get out here. Boom, yeah, look at that. You get out and then let it retrace, and then you get back in right here where it comes back down. Boom, look at that, and you get all this shit. Look at this. Boom, all money, bro. You get out right here. Why? Because it's smacking all these wicks. So it's simple. This is my strategy. This is what I've been doing for the past month to get money. Easy ass money. And it just repeats itself. Look at this. And then it's back in consolidation right here. See this? You mark it up, you wait. When it breaks that box, boom, you enter. Look at this. Boom. See that broke the box. You enter, it comes all the way up. And then you'd get out at your next major resistance when going up. When buying, you want to get out at your major resistance. When selling, you want to get out at your major support. Boom. See all those way up. So as soon as you're done buying here, you get out because price will go back into consolidation. If you guys can see here, it's back into consolidation. Like market, like history tends to repeat itself. It's the same thing. It's the same thing in the market. And then you just wait, boom, broke out, and then you get back into the sell. Like guys, it's super easy. Like it's not hard. I just want you guys to understand that this shit is easy. This shit's been making me bank, man. And it's been good. I used to struggle with like, oh shit, I need to be in the market all the time, this, and that. And I used to trade on the 5 minute, man. There's so much noise on the 5 minute. I can't fuck with the 5 minute. So that's why I stay with the hourly, because the hourly has helped me make the most money. And staying with like one pair, like I can't trade so many pairs at once, man. Like y'all, I see like half of you guys trading with odd USD, odd NZD, GBP I do, or like something else. Like I see you guys trading like 3-4 pairs at a time. Like fuck, I can't do that. So just stick with one pair. Learn what where the banks like their support and resistance line, like their major support resistance line. So your pair will have a major support and resistance line. Like, because there's gonna be a whole bunch of support and resistance lines on your pair, of course, but there's gonna be major ones. So they're gonna be major key ones, like important ones. So yeah, so I erased them off of mine because I just wanted to show you guys how I marked this up from the start to finish. But yeah, I hope this helped you guys. If you guys need some more help, just please comment and shoot me a DM. But yeah, so what we're waiting for it to do now is just break out of this consolidation stage, because as you can see with a bigger picture, this is still consolidated. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I'll draw it. You see that? It's still chilling. Let me try to make this. There we go. So that green box means this is all still just chilling. So it came from an uptrend. You guys see this? It came from an uptrend. Boom. See this? So my bad. Let's mark it up for you guys. So yeah, so I use support and resistance as well to where I know where to get in, get out. That's like another confirmation that helps me know when to get in and get out. So yeah, just gotta find your main key spots. You see this? One right here and one on the bottom. You see? Boom, boom. This is how you know it's an uptrend. So you see, market came from being consolidated, it went downtrend, and then went consolidated, and then went an uptrend, and then it went back to consolidated. So price, before changing directions and trends, it'll go into consolidated mode like this. It'll just be chilling, and then now it's gonna drop. So if you go to the daily will tell you what it's doing. You see this? You see this? So if you mark it up, boom, boom, support resistance, daily still consolidated, but since it bounced off the resistance up here, it's gonna shoot down because this is already confirmation right here. It's gonna come down. So yeah, so now you're looking for sells. It's gonna go into a downtrend. Just wait till it breaks out. This is a good confirmation as well. You see this MA broke structure right here, and yeah, it's on top of these ones, and these are your they're like dojis, pinball. They're spinning tops. That's what I like to call them. It's just indecisive right now, but it's gonna drop, man. It's gonna drop. It broke structure when in price in the past, it broke structure, boom, came down. Broke structure, went up. Broke structure right here, came down. Broke structure, came down. Like, it's just history tends to repeat itself, and that's what that's a good trick. That's a good habit to learn, is that just know price will repeat itself it truly will. You just gotta like trust your analysis, because if not, then you're always gonna blow your accounts. You're always gonna be like, oh, what if I should have done that, this and that. You just gotta trust it. You just gotta trust in that. But yeah, so next week we're looking at a bullish week for odd USD, and that's to all of its correlation pairs: Euro USD, NZD USD. I think that was it, right? No, GBP USD. But yeah, I hope this helped you guys. Super easy. If you guys need some more help, just please DM me. Yeah. So, all right, guys. I hope you guys have a good night. I'll catch you.